without you.
Wow! Amazing!
So many times when the city seems to be without a friend. Carpenters. And then I'm singing. Unboxing time! So, balik tayo guys sa pagka-unboxing. Nakikita nyo, The Carpenters. Baliktad ba? Baliktad, sorry guys. Ito yung guys, kauna-unahang parang greatest hits compilation album ng The Carpenters. And bubuksan natin to ngayon. Ito pala guys ay exclusive ng Target.